My dearest dreamer, welcome back to your safe space. This time, we are not preparing for sleep. We are preparing to find peace in the middle of our day. Find a comfortable position to stand, put in your headphones, and prepare to follow the sound of my voice. Your journey to peace begins now. We stand in our home. Perhaps we see a space that feels cluttered, a kitchen with dishes, a table with papers, a room that feels unsettled, and perhaps our mind feels the same way. It is so easy to look at this and feel overwhelmed, to feel a sense of burden. But today, we are going to change that. We are going to make a new choice. This is not a chore. This is a ritual. We are not cleaning up a mess. We are creating a sanctuary. This is not something we have to do. It is something we get to do. We are choosing to care for our space, to care for our home, the same way we care for our bodies, the same way we care for our minds. Let's set a simple intention for the next 15 minutes. Our only goal is to be present. Our only purpose is to focus on the simple, physical act of bringing order. There is no rush. There is no deadline. There is only this. Let's begin by taking one slow, deep breath. Breathe in and feel the air fill your lungs. Breathe out and let go of any resistance, any feeling of "I don't want to." Now, let's choose our simple, single task. Perhaps it is washing the dishes. Perhaps it is wiping the counters. Perhaps it is folding laundry. It does not matter what it is. We will do it together, slowly and with perfect, mindful attention. Let's begin. Let's begin the physical movement. Slowly, deliberately. Let's bring all of our awareness into our hands. Let your hands be the anchor for your mind. If you are washing the dishes, let's first just focus on the water. Feel the wonderful, comforting warmth as it flows over your hands. Feel the weight of the ceramic bowl or the plate in your grasp. Listen to the sound of the water as it runs into the sink. Let it be a cleansing sound, a sound of release. If you are wiping a surface, let's focus on the cloth. Feel the soft, damp texture in your hand. Feel the coolness of the countertop as you make your first pass. Let's find a rhythm, a slow, circular motion, again and again. A steady, graceful, sweeping movement. Whichever task you are doing, let's find its rhythm. The rhythm of the sponge, circular and circular. The rhythm of the cloth, a long, smooth sweep. The rhythm of folding, a precise, gentle press. There is no rush. There is only this rhythm. Let this simple, repetitive motion be your meditation. Your mind will wander. That is what minds do. It will think about work or a conversation or what you need to do later. That is okay. Do not judge the thought, just notice it. And then gently bring your attention back. Bring it back to the feeling of the warm water on your skin. Bring it back to the sound of the sponge, a soft shh, shh. Bring it back to the scent of the soap. Perhaps it is lemon or lavender. Breathe it in. Be right here. Let's just be in this rhythm for a long, quiet moment, a circular motion, a deep breath, a long, sweeping motion, a slow exhale. You are not just cleaning, you are practicing the art of being present. Focus on the transformation. See the surface as it goes from cluttered to clear. See the dish as it goes from used to clean and bright. See the towel as it goes from a pile to a perfect, neat square. We are not fighting chaos. We are simply creating order. And it is a calm and beautiful and satisfying thing. Just this one simple physical task. Let your body do the work and let your mind simply watch, quietly, peacefully, without judgment. Just this one thing. As your hands continue their slow, steady rhythm, let's bring a new awareness to this simple act. What we are doing here is not just physical, it is a metaphor. Look at the surface you are cleaning. See the crumbs, the dust, the smudges. These are like the scattered, busy thoughts in our mind, the little worries, the lists, the fragments of the day. They are not bad, they are just there. Now, watch your hand. Watch the cloth. See how, with one gentle, mindful sweep, it gathers all those scattered things and clears them away, leaving behind only a clean, clear, shining surface. Let's do this together. As you make your next circular motion, imagine that cloth is moving not just over the table, but over the surface of your mind. And it is gently, lovingly wiping away one of those busy, anxious thoughts. Just wiping it clean, leaving behind only stillness. If you are washing a dish, see the film of the day, the residue, and now watch it as the warm water flows over it and the soap, and see how it all just dissolves and melts away. It disappears down the drain. Imagine a worry, a small one. Hold it in your mind. And now, just like the residue on the plate, let the warm water of your awareness just wash it away. See it dissolve. See it flow away from you, leaving your mind bright and clear and new. This is the practice. It is this simple. A physical act and a mental intention working together. Sweep and clear the mind. Rinse and let the worry go. Fold and bring order to your thoughts. With every rhythmic, repeating motion, we are doing two things at once. We are creating a beautiful, peaceful space in our home, and we are creating a beautiful, peaceful space in our mind. Just this, just breathing and clearing. And now, our task is coming to an end. We are making our final mindful sweep, rinsing the last dish and placing it in the rack to dry, folding the last corner of the towel. Let's perform our final action. Rinse the sponge or fold the cloth. Put the soap away. Wipe your hands dry. The ritual is complete. Now, let's just stand still. Stand in the middle of your newly created peaceful space and just look. See the clear surfaces. See the order. See the light as it hits the clean, open space. It feels different, doesn't it? The air itself feels lighter. The room feels calmer. It is breathing a slow, peaceful breath along with you. And your mind feels the same. It is clearer. It is lighter. It is calm. You did not fight a mess. You nurtured a space. You took chaos and, with your own hands, your own breath, you gently, lovingly transformed it into peace. Let's close this ritual with a simple act of gratitude. Let's place one hand gently over our heart, and let's just say, thank you. Thank you to your body for its strength and its ability to do this work. Thank you to your hands for being such wonderful, mindful tools. And thank you to your home. Thank you for being your shelter, your sanctuary, your safe space. Take one last deep, cleansing breath. Breathe in the peace you have created, and breathe out with a smile. You are ready to move into the rest of your day, not with a cluttered mind, but with a clear, calm, and grateful heart. Peace be with you.